Corten House, a striking residence quietly rooted in the rolling landscape of Celorico de Basto, Portugal. At first glance, its raw rust-colored exterior seems almost sculptural, a modern composition shaped by both context and history. This project, spanning nearly 495 square meters, was completed in 2025 by HPA Arquitetura e Investimentos and responds to the land with surprising sensitivity. What makes this design especially compelling is how it emerged from something that already existed. Remnants of an old timber factory with oxidized steel sheets scattered across the site. Instead of erasing that past, the architects embraced it. The house's form and layout were meticulously defined by the natural contours of the terrain, ensuring that the building feels like it's grown from the earth itself rather than imposed upon it. The property sits on a steep slope, which presented both a challenge and an opportunity. Rather than fighting the incline, the design uses green roofs on both levels so that each volume reads almost as an extension of the landscape. From certain viewpoints, these green roofs blend seamlessly with surrounding vegetation, creating a living architecture that softens visual impact. Solar orientation was another key design consideration. With the property facing east, the architects strategically oriented the main glass openings westward. This lets natural light flood the living spaces during the afternoon and emphasizes views over the valley. The gesture of lifting the building gently off the ground also brings light deep into the lower level, preserving native flora beneath. Materiality here is a narrative in itself. Corten steel clads the exterior and appears internally at key moments, such as in the entrance hall and some suite spaces. It's paired with raw, textured concrete, offering a tactile contrast that embraces imperfection and presence. Inside, concrete floors, ceilings, and walls unify the interior, fostering a cohesive spatial experience. The upper floor steps back along the topographical line, a move that breaks up the mass and introduces privacy from the nearby path. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls blur the boundaries between inside and outside, framing panoramic views and maintaining a quiet visual dialogue with the distant hills. On the more exposed southern side, a perforated Corten steel brise-soleil acts as both shading device and visual filter. spatial organization reinforces a seamless connection to nature. As you move through the house, the entrance hall, wrapped in corten and warm wood, serves as a central spine. Below, for private suites are tucked into the lower level, while above, the living areas open under a high-pitched roof, capturing 360-degree views that anchor daily life in the landscape. Sustainability isn't an afterthought. It's woven into the architecture. Green roofs, rainwater harvesting, photovoltaic panels, and deciduous vegetation for natural seasonal shading all contribute to an energy-efficient, environmentally responsive design. Even the exterior spaces extend the home's narrative. Patios, native gardens, outdoor fire pits, a wood-fired oven, and a serene infinity pool create zones for both social life and quiet reflection. At its heart, Corten House teaches us how thoughtful design can turn constraints into defining features. What began as an industrial ruin has become a contemporary residence deeply attuned to its environment, where material authenticity, landscape integration, and spatial fluidity come together in a home that doesn't just sit on the land, but lives with it.